Hey guys, I had this portable Garvey unit they sent to us plugged in and it's ready to go. One thing I just want to point out, make sure you vented it correctly, and when you plug it into your outlet, make sure your outlet supports 15 amps, and that is it. Now let's go through the process of how all this works. And you do get a remote included, so you can use a remote if you need to versus using the touchscreen. Okay guys, here's how to operate this unit just using the touchpads here. If you want to use the remote, but the remote is available, which is quite nice to turn on and off, and you have your timer and the fan, nighttime. You can change your Fahrenheit to Celsius if you need to, and we'll go through some of these other options here just by changing the mode, what this is. But on this unit itself, once you turn it on, we can cycle through the different options of controlling your fan speed, you're setting your temperature settings, your different modes here. You have your cool mode, which is AC, just run the fan. Dry mode, if you want to run the dehumidifier, reduce humidity during the spring and autumn time. So turning it on. This is on the cool mode. If you hear it running, it's on auto. Let's change the fan to high. Change to low. Now we can change the fan, just to turn the fan now. The AC will cut off. So now just run the fan. You can change the fan from high to low to auto if you want. And now we can go run the dehumidifier if we need to. And if you want the timer, it goes from your time, so it goes from a half hour to up to all the way to 24 hours just by pressing the up arrow. You can change how many hours you want to run for. So yeah, so that's kind of nice little feature to do. You don't want to run the whole time, you want to set one certain time during the night, and that's it. So now for the remote, we'll press the on the remote. It comes on, it's reading the temperature 73. We can adjust that down. It's reading it right there. Train mode here, auto, high. Set your time, press the time button, timer, and then you can set up and down how many hours from that. To change your modes here, on the here, you just press this middle button, center, and change your mode. It'll cycle through dry to fan, press again, auto, then to cool. There you go, and then you can change your fan for that mode. And that's it then. Temperature, of course, up and down arrow, and that is it for that. You can change your Fahrenheit. So yeah, this is really great. One thing I want to point out too, right on the front here, there's a little display panel that gives you your temperature, the mode that is running, which is cool, and it's kind of cool to see that. So that's on dry mode for dehumidifier, it says DH. The fan, there you go. It's kind of nice to see, it says your levels. So yeah, quite nice. Have it right there on the front panel, so you can kind of see what's going on. So guys, yeah, this is a great unit, and one thing you can tell when you shut it off, it goes to a countdown, and it shows right there on the screen as well. That's coming down, which is nice to see. So looking for a great portable unit that will cool your room, either your bedroom, workspace, screen port somewhere. This is definitely a must-have. So definitely check them out, and I think it's great. It has wheels as well, so you can easily move it around from room to room.